Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how we get down, I get straight to the point. And the reason one of the people always ask me why I say that is because I can't stand watching videos and I have some kind of repair and the person just talking and talking. So I get straight to the point. I don't like wasting time. You cannot buy, sell, or trade time. Anyway, so if you happen to be changing your oil like I'm doing on this vehicle, and you do not have one of these that has that nice, good crater in there, I call it a crater to keep it from spoiling, from spilling, and yours is just not gonna, no matter what you do, it's just gonna spill oil. One of the things you can do is take an old AC filter and stick it right on top. Again, an AC filter from the house, stick it right on top. So you will not, there's no way that you can get the oil all over the place if you have that filter on top. You do not put the filter back in the air conditioner after you get done. This is the house AC filter. Whatever the one you got, you just stick it on top. When the oil is draining, it will not splash. It actually will go straight down and keep it in that one area. Second thing, I am working on a Kia, and there is the filter right there. This will be in the description, but all I have to do is just take this, because it has different depths in it, put it right on top. It locks in, and then I just take a regular ratchet, which I'm gonna do for you real quick. And now, let me get this in the right direction. I can spin the filter right off without any problems, as you can see. This is just mechanic tips. Again, if you don't want the oil to get all over the place, which is the worst thing you can have in the world, just put an AC filter on top of whatever you're changing it on top of from the house. And then this tool right here is different. I pull it off. I'm doing this one hand, so bear in mind with me. This comes apart and you can see it has different depths for the oil filter. Makes life a lot easier. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.